Well, in India we say शेर कभी मुंह नहीं धोता. But when we started talking to family and friends, we realized that I think thanks to social media, everyone wants to look their best. But there was no consumer brand targeting them to meet their grooming needs. That's where we realized that there is probably an opportunity to build a brand focusing completely on men. I'm Hitesh Dhingra. I'm founder and MD of The Man Company. We are a men's grooming essential brand. We need to disrupt not just the marketing, but also the channel of distribution, the pricing, the product strategy. All our products are free of SLS, parabens, or any other harmful chemicals and have essential oils. And I think that's what kind of appealed to our customer base as well. So we started with almost 20-25 SKUs and we decided to launch it digitally first. In my previous company, we had almost 30% manpower, which was almost 150 people focusing on just the product and technology function, right? And that was the biggest cost for us as a company. And here we realized that our core area of expertise is the brand development and the product and distribution, right? So it is not really the technology which is core to the business. So we decided to get on Shopify. That kind of reduced our cost by almost 1/10. Second, I think even our go-to-market time, in case of developing our own platform, it would have taken 6 to 8 months, whereas on Shopify it took us less than 6 weeks. We have scaled up from where we were in year 1 to year 4 almost 4,000%, and still we have never faced any issue. The Man Company believes that a brand without a purpose is just a product. Men were looking for a lot of education in terms of someone hand-holding them and telling them why do they need grooming. And we as a brand decided to focus a lot more on creating content and going beyond their personal care needs or the products that we were offering. As a mission, we want to groom 5 million men in India by offering them good quality content around the overall grooming as well as offering the products that we do.